Hi, I'm Hana, a program coordinator at Blossom 360. Today we are visiting an apparel factory and industrial denim washing mill, a working environment where garment moves from raw materials to finished products. Today we are welcoming students from Marist University, New York, who are here at Cortex Textiles in Da Nang, Vietnam. This visit is part of Blossom 360. The aim of this immersion is to give students a clear overview of a garment factory, how production is organized, how quality is checked, how the overall workflow comes together, and how the business itself is run and operated without going to heavy technical details. For this visit, Cortex has opened its factory as a partner, allowing students to see these processes in real working setup. Let's dive in.
Before heading onto the floor, the group sits down for a short briefing, the journey of fashion, a quick overview of how a single garment moves from concept to finished product. It's the roadmap for everything they're about to see. This is the production floor, the heart of the factory. Every garment that leaves Cortex passes through here, moving step by step from raw fabric to finished piece. It starts here with fabric. Rolls are organized by type, weight, and color, and matched to specific orders before a single cut is made. But before any fabric reaches a cutting table, it's inspected, checked for flaws, uneven dye, or weaknesses in the weave. Catching a problem here on a roll of fabric is far cheaper than catching it after a garment has already been sewn. Once a roll passes inspection, it's laid out flat, sometimes dozens of layers stacked on top of each other and cut into the individual pieces that will become a garment. From there, the cut pieces move to the sewing floor rows of operators, each trained on a specific operation. One person might handle collars, another sleeves, another seams. A single shirt can pass through a dozen pairs of hands before it's complete. It's a process built on specialization, speed and precision, repeated thousands of times a day. Some details need their own machines entirely. This station handles eyelets and buttonholes, small components, but ones that have to be exact every single time, across thousands of identical pieces. Before a garment is considered finished, its press this step is what gives a piece that clean, retail-ready look. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how a garment feels in your hands. It's not just watching. Students get hands-on too. Here, they're examining finished pieces the way a quality control team would, checking stitching, pattern matching, and overall finish. And at the very end of the line, packing. Garments that have passed every check are folded, packed, and prepared for shipment, ready to leave Cortex and head out into the world.
Now the group heads to PPJ, an industrial denim washing facility about 20 minutes away from Cortex, where they will learn what washing actually does to a garment and why it matters more than most people realize.
This is PPJ, an industrial washing unit that handles one of the most critical and least talked about stages in garment production. Inside, large industrial machines wash, stone wash, and treat garments in volume. Processes that determine how a finished piece looks, feels, and wears over time. The difference between a garment that looks and feels premium and one that doesn't often comes down to what happens in a room like this. For most of these students, it's the first time they've seen this stage of production, and it changes the way they think about the clothes they wear. One last challenge before the tour wraps up, the Munsell color perception test. It's a simple-looking exercise. Arrange these chips in order by color using only your eyes. Harder than it looks. In the fashion industry, an eye for color isn't a nice-to-have. It's a skill.
So I learned a lot about what goes on at these factories, so it was really cool to actually see it in person and see the people putting in the work in real time.
This is very eye-opening, and like it was mentioned before, it's really helpful seeing things beyond the classroom, beyond word of mouth.
We got to see start to end.
I learned so much today.
Amazing to see what the word vertical actually means. Seeing the works from top to bottom, the sampling rooms, the sewing, everything being made from concept to actual, production.
For these students, this wasn't a textbook chapter. It was a working factory floor, real people, and a process most people never get to see.
Blossom 360 is a learning program that connects students with real industry setting so they can observe how the fashion and garment sector operates in practice. Through Blossom 360, students can experience the industry in different ways, from detailed multi-day immersion programs to a shorter, focused factory visit, depending on depth and times available. If you want to give your student this experience, click on the link in the description to get in touch.